Hey guys, Brian Johnson here over at Johnson Arms. We are about to pack up the latest toy that we put together here. This is a Gatling gun, minigun, whatever you'd like to call it. It was built off of a Nerf Vulcan. So you can see on the back, we built the box in the center, and that houses the motor, which was a screwdriver motor. And then we've got the turret on the front, which is all lined up nice and straight, so it spins and looks really good on camera. And that's a good thing, because this is actually going to be a film prop that's headed on its way to Australia tomorrow. So just wanted to get a quick video of it. I also have another where it's actually spinning for anybody that wants to see, but I thought it'd be nice just to kind of have a little static shot here where I can let you guys take a look at all the scratches and whatnot. So thanks a lot for checking it out. I'll be eager to do another, so if you're interested, let me know. Thanks a lot.